champ.
Let him do what he do. You know what I'm saying? He got the personality for it.
Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother.
But you don't want to see Zoom. You don't want to see Zoom.
I'm tired. Zoom will mess me up, man. Don't play with Zoom. So you see it, look. Oh, wait a minute. 1, 2. That's the 1, 2, 3. Oh, that hook, that hook. Wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. One more time. Oh, that hook, that hook. Wait a minute. You might have something, y'all. You might have something. That hook can catch somebody. It's over.
I'm the Travel OG, and I traded in my Hollywood lifestyle for the sexy beaches of Pattaya, Thailand. We're bringing you exclusive interviews, showing you what the golf courses are like, the caddies are like, what the homies like. Zoom to Thailand with your man, Richie Mack. The Travel OG.
What you say?
I said, listen, champ, Zoom, you opened up the door for everybody to be looking at this whole Thailand thing because of you and your videos. Shout out to you. Thank you. I remember you hit me back then and was like, yo, champ. Well, I said, all right, we did the video, and I just want to thank you for the shout out and all that, and for even knowing who I am, let alone what you're doing, showing brothers the light, man. A different life out here, stress-free, great food. You got a fixed income. Some way you got bread coming in. I met like 15, 20 brothers who said they was in the military. It's all like popcorn. You feel me? The cannabis is legal. I got something big coming out here, champ. I'm telling y'all, we're gonna do something crazy. Let's smoke, champ.
There it is.
Shannon Briggs.
Ellis again. Here's another right hand, right on the button.
This brother is boxing meets hip
Briggs going right after it. There's a big combination. Ellis with a lot of.
Hey, champ, I got a question for you, man.
Yes, champ.
Because you've been in the ring with a lot of them. You've been in the ring with the great ones. You did this shit, man. Are you ever scared going into the ring?
Tail of the tape, and as George Foreman told you, 2 big heavyweights in there. Lennox Lewis, 243. Shannon Briggs, 228.
Is there any questions from Lewis? Any questions from Briggs? Both of you
You ever
stop.
scared?
All the time, you feel me? You got that fear, you can't sleep before the fight, you up all night, you thinking, you feel me? And then, you know, because everything's on the line, you feel me? Your whole life is gonna change.
Both just touch gloves. Come on. Come on. Come
I
on.
mean, everything. When your kids go to school, your zip code, all depending on a punch, whether you knock him out or he knock you out.
Shannon Briggs, Lewis was up a little bit too far forward and driven back, and here we go. Lewis is the fast starter. Big key in many of his fights. Scores with a jab. The story of this fight is, can Briggs do something back, and he lands a
So if
right
you don't
hand.
slip it, he crack you, your kids' college tuition may not come.
Briggs trying to crowd Lewis a little bit here.
Everything is a split second. Your life gonna
Briggs
change.
out to
Whether you get
prove
hit with
that.
a body shot, you
Would
can
set
take it.
itself up for a fight as a hook by Briggs. Now Briggs taking his chance. A hook to Lewis. Briggs coming on. Big opportunity for Shannon Briggs.
Everything is a split second. Your life gonna change. Whether you get hit with a body shot, you can take it. Yo, I've been hit so hard with a body shot one time. I wanted to just crumble. I hurt me so bad. Yo, champ, I was taught and told, whenever you get hit to the body, yo, do whatever you can. Just count to 5, slow as you can. And when he hit me to the body, I was like, oh shit. I was about to die. It hurt so bad. I could feel my soul. He punched through me. And I said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the whole time, I was looking like this. I was looking like that. But I was feeling like, oh my God, help me. You know what I'm saying? But if he would have seen anything in my face that I was hurting, he would have attacked me and destroyed me. Because once you show the pain, so the same thing with the fear. You got the fear, you got to control it. You might be scared, but you better not look it. You feel me? Your heart beating, you got a lump in your throat, you better not look it. You know what I'm saying? Because when you see his fear, you're going to get strong all of a sudden. You're going to say, oh yeah, I got you now. You feel me? You're going to break him. So don't break whatever you do. And if y'all got to sometimes be two animals, lock in. He an animal, you an animal. Lock in. Y'all just start locking in, just going in. It's be like that sometimes.
He's got to survive. Can Lahovich make it to the end? Off the back of the head. Oh, look at
Let's go, champ.
Let's go, champ. Here come a champ right here. Here come an African champ. Hey. She from the States. She came with the West Goodie. How you doing, ma'am? What's going on? Where you from?
New York City.
New York. Y'all just New Yorkers just controlling this hotel, huh?
I'm
Oh, no.
gang.
Oh, I was wondering. Okay. You look kind of foreign, though.
Nah.
You ain't
I'm as New York as it gets.
Hey! All right, I see you still nice with that. I see you still nice with it. But what you gonna do with that, though?
Nah, I'm chilling. I got something in store. I came out here.
Uh-huh.
I want to shout out to Fairtex, Mr. Wong over at Fairtex, the whole crew. Listen to me, champ. We working on the fight. Rampage is still on.
Wait. Hold on. What? Rampage?
Look at him, y'all. He pretty big, too.
Don't get worried.
Wait a minute.
Don't
Wait
get
a
worried.
minute. Look at his arms. Let's go, champ.
Don't get worried.
I ain't worried, champ.
Don't get worried.
Look at him, y'all. MMA, wait a minute. His head is big.
This guy.
You can't miss his head. Rampage Jackson, man. You look like you gonna hurt somebody, man.
Yeah.
You been training.
Been training hard.
I underestimated him.
Man, Shannon's a clown. He a clown. All he is talk. He got a good mouthpiece. I'm gonna put my fist right in that motherfucker.
They just did a drive-by. Hold on, they did a drive-by. Happy New Year, Shawty Cops. Hey, wait, Here they go. The Sunshine Girls. Where you going? Hey. So how you found out about this place?
I found out through your channel. I was looking through Vietnam for a place to live during COVID. New York was getting crazy and foul.
So they coming back. You gotta watch them. Hey, they back.
You ready?
Oh, picture.
Oh, they want a photo. We don't know if we're going to trust them.
Yeah.
Where you from?
Where you from?
We're going. China.
China?
Yeah.
Ni hao?
Ni hao.
Ni hao?
You got that good.
Hey. Let's go, champ.
Okay.
Hey.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, they are burning. They want to be in my picture. Hey, Hey.
So listen, long story short, I DM'd you actually from about barbershops. This was like 2 years ago. You was like, yo, watch the episode of the barbershop. And through you, I found, I think, Chocolate Man. I found Travelversity. I don't know if I ever said his name right, but you started connecting the dots. Then I started seeing more and more people with, Thailand videos. I said, oh, he making it trendy. So then I started saying, we're gonna be too late. That's how we get all the food gonna be gone.
He brought me out here.
I said, yo, listen.
He brought the champ out here. That's right, y'all. Big Neff. Staten Island. Staten Island.
Staten Island, home of the Wu-Tang.
Staten Island, what?
Yeah. Staten Island represent, but you from Brooklyn, right?
Brownsville. I ain't even from Brooklyn.
Brownsville's
I'm from
the
Brownsville.
hood. That's the hood.
Brownsville is his own borough.
Yes, that's East New York.
It's Brownsville.
Brownsville ain't even East New York?
It ain't even East New York, it's just Brownsville.
That's where Mike's from, right?
That's right.
Yes, sir.
Riddick Bowe, Zab Judah, Danny Jacobs.
And who else? And who else?
Eddie Mustafa Muhammad, Shannon Briggs.
Shannon Briggs.
Thelma from Good Times.
Hey.
Larry King. The Three Stooges. They go Murder Inc., the real Murder Inc., you heard?
Yes, sir.
I'm from Brownsville, never ran, never will.
Never will.
We'll break your jaw.
Ooh.
Dig in your pockets and rip your pants like that.
Brownsville, home of the break, put in work in the street like a slave.
I come to Thailand, people living in peace. They're just happy. They're living longer, they're eating good food. They're just living in peace. You at home, you going crazy, you losing your mind. I know, because I'm one of them. You feel me? High bills every month. Let's go, champ. Hey, yo, champ, let me ask you a question. What could I do for $5,200 here?
For $5,200, you can live like a king. That would be everything all in.
Come on.
That would be the house. That would be probably a nice little rental car or a car. That would be food included.
Come on.
That would be all the extra things you might like included. You did.
Come on, I got a family.
There it is. Come on with it. Talk about that family. How many you got in the family?
I got 3 kids and a wife.
$5,200, you got it.
Okay, I got it.
that.
Now listen, so what if I'm spending 10 racks?
10 racks, what you need that for?
You're right.
But you can't.
My kids in a good international school. Right or wrong?
Facts.
A chef, a cook, or a driver.
Absolutely.
Right?
Absolutely.
Paying them good, living good.
10 racks a month all day.
Come on, champ. How about just 5 racks?
5 racks a day with your lifestyle.
If he doing 10 racks, can we get an invite to the pool? Because he going to have a big ass pool out here.
Theme music.
Zoom to Thailand. Hope you coming too. Richie Mack, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for show. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mack, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mack, travel OG, let's go.
Shout out to my Patreon members. I'll be at y'all in a minute. You should all consider joining the Patreon, especially if you need to get in contact with me directly. Join the Patreon to catch the Zoom After Dark clips that I can't show you on YouTube. Join the Patreon to support your boy so I can keep bringing you this heat. Join the Patreon because you enjoy quality content. This is just the beginning, y'all. We're about to take this thing to a whole nother level. Let's celebrate together. You dig?
What's living like a king? What about being happy and healthy?
And motherfucking no stress. That's the thing.
Yo, I'm walking down the street 3, 4, 5 in the morning, the sun coming up, no crime. Nobody gonna jump out. I don't worry about that. I'm gonna keep it real with you. You know what I'm saying? I don't worry about that. I'm not that I'm, you know what I'm saying, but I'm me and I walk around, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. With knowing that I could get busy. I can't stop no bullets and all that, but it's not even happening out here like that. But I gotta think about that at home.
Absolutely.
Sometimes I go out late night, 5 in the morning, whatever, I gotta go to the 7-Eleven, something for the wife, and then guess what? Somebody might roll up, or I might be going to the bank to get some money at the machine. Somebody might roll up with the hammer.